How to stop autoplay on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to stop autoplay on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click this one media, click on it and here go down you will find autoplay. Just click never autoplay videos and now just go back, it will be saved and that's how to stop autoplay on Facebook Lite and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.